How to fix if apps crashing too much on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button, and you will see restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so close all apps. After close app, you will see problem is solved. If it not solved, and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, click on settings app, click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on next. After click on next, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how, after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if app crashing not on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.